son. Welcome to Food Stuff. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് കോക്കനട്ട് ലഡ്ഡു. ഇതിന് നമുക്ക് just 3 ingredients മതി. 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of condensed milk, and vanilla essence, half teaspoon. Okay, now let's start with the food. Now we have to pour the desiccated coconut into the bowl. That was easy. And now we have to take 1 cup of condensed milk. Here we go. Yes. Satisfying. In this, guys, we have to be extra careful. Make sure the vanilla doesn't spill. So this is vanilla. Yeah. And now we're gonna mix it. Yeah. This is more satisfying. Mix it until it's about the right time to take. Plus, this is very satisfying, which means this is very relaxing to see. You gotta mix it and mix it until it's in this form. And when it's in this form, it's time for fun. Take this much and roll it into a ball. Roll it, roll it, roll. Just roll, roll, and then you get a ball. Then keep it in the coconut or desiccated coconut, sorry, and then sprinkle. Ta-da! This might get sticky, and that's because you add condensed milk and it gets sticky. Don't complain. It's just how food works. Ta-da! Wow, looks awesome. Amazing. Just repeat this thing until everything is done. Okay, so roll, roll, roll. Until ball. It's delicious. So, guys, all our coconut laddus are ready now. Now, I'm gonna taste it. That's so good. That was delicious. And I know, this is the end of the video, guys. Yeah, bummer. But hey, make sure you click that subscribe button, thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. And